On Sunday, the 12th of October, we'll be having and celebrating our Harvest Festival. So if you can, please bring along some dried tin foods and dry goods that we can donate to our food bank as we think about how God provides for us. So join us for that Sunday service. I know it's going to sound a bit soon to be talking about Christmas, but Christmas Fest is coming up and it's going to be coming up very quick. And we are looking for volunteers to get involved to help us this year to reach our community. So this year's Christmas Fest is happening on the 13th of December and we want to see you all there to enjoy the festivities. So make sure that you are there and that you do come. And if you're able to volunteer, please do let the team know because we do need the help. And tickets will be on sale from Sunday the 12th of October. So you want to be first to get yours for your neighbours, for yourselves, for your family, for your friends, for your whole community. We want to see everyone having fun at Christmas. So make a note of that.
Courageous Men, Saturday 18th of October, men's breakfast. Make sure you sign up online. Be there.
Don't forget that this Wednesday is our special Watoto night and we'll be hearing from the team that are back from Uganda. So it'll be great to hear all of what God has done in them and through them in their time away, and it will be a great night for sure. And on Saturday is Next Level, so make sure that you come along to that if you are signed up for it. Have a great week, guys.